स्वीकृति प्रदान करा हो. Here evaluate every application we receive, and may this record-setting performance inspire future generations to embrace and celebrate the rich heritage of Assam. It will be handover by the 30th of January in Dibrugarh on the next event, and we ensure that if you register the participants' details, the participation details, then we'll be providing the certificate of participation as well. The rehearsal went really nice, and we are evaluating the entire documentations and the guidelines which is set by the official world record. So best of luck. Thank you. Yes, this really the vibration symbolize the unity and the cultural diversity of the Assam. Thank you so much. It's so proud moment to witness this sort of the event. Thank you again. स्वीकृति प्रदान करा हो. Jai Ai Assam. So much. Thank you so much. It was really a proud moment. It was really a proud moment to witness this sort of the event. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.